Describe tools for interacting with Azure. To get the most out of Azure, you need a way to interact with Azure environment and the management groups, subscription, resource groups, resources, and so on. Azure provides multiple tools for managing your environment, including Azure Portal, Azure PowerShell, Azure Command Line Interface CLI. Now, what is the Azure Portal? The Azure Portal is a web-based unified console that provides an alternative to command line tools. With the Azure Portal, you can manage your Azure subscription by using a graphical user interface, so you can build, manage, and monitor everything from a simple web apps to complex cloud deployments, create custom dashboards for organized view of resources, configure accessibility options for an optimal experience. The Azure Portal is designed for resiliency and continuous availability. It maintains a presence in every Azure data center. This configuration makes the Azure Portal resilient to individual data center failures and avoids network slowdown by being close to users. The Azure Portal updates continuously and requires no downtime for maintenance activity. Azure Cloud Shell. Azure Cloud Shell is a browser-based shell tool that allows you to create, configure, and manage Azure resources using the shell. Azure Cloud Shell supports both Azure PowerShell and Azure CLI, which is the Bash shell. You can access Azure Cloud Shell via the Azure Portal by selecting the Cloud Shell icon. So here you can see that it will be appeared here. Here it is. Okay. Azure Cloud Shell has several features that make it a unique offering to support in managing Azure. Some of those features are: it is a browser-based shell experience with no local installation or configuration required. It is authenticated to your Azure credential, so when you log in, it inherently knows who you are and what permissions you have. You can choose the shell you are most familiar with. Azure Cloud Shell supports both Azure PowerShell and Azure CLI, which uses Bash. So what is PowerShell? Azure PowerShell is a shell with which developers, DevOps, and IT professionals can run commands called commandlets or CMDlets. These commands call the Azure REST API to perform management tasks in Azure. Commandlets can be run independently to handle one-off changes, or they may be combined to help orchestrate complex actions such as the routine setup, teardown, and maintenance of a single resource or multiple connected resources. The deployment of an entire infrastructure, which might contain dozens or hundreds of resources from imperative code. Capturing the commands in a script makes the process repeatable and automatable. In addition to be available via Azure Cloud Shell, you can install and configure Azure PowerShell in Windows, Linux, and Mac platforms. So what is Azure CLI? It is functionality equivalent to Azure PowerShell, with the primary difference being syntax of commands. While Azure PowerShell uses PowerShell commands, the Azure CLI uses Bash commands. Azure CLI provides the same benefits of handling discrete tasks or orchestrating complex operations through code. It is also installable on Windows, Linux, and Mac platforms, as well as through Azure Cloud Shell. Due to the similarities in capabilities and access between Azure PowerShell and Bash-based Azure CLI, it mainly comes down to which language you're most familiar with.